Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing a review on a pocket knife that my brother just gave me. See, I lost my iPod on Skidoo, and I had an iPod dock for it, and so pretty much no point for it. So my brother traded me my iPod dock for this pocket knife. It's really nice. It's all metal. Got a nice blade. You know, won't regret. Easy sharp. GERBE. Nice silver, grayish color, very sharp. I'm just gonna cut this last bend to prove that it's actually real. So sharp. My boss gave it to me, and I like it a lot because it got a nice big rock. Hold it like that. And the blade is really nice, you know? Close it up by doing that. I'm talking a bit weird because my I got a flu and I'm filming this on an Android phone. Display there, you know, this is it. That's it, you know, weighs about half a pound, about a quarter pound. I don't know, I don't feel like a pound. Probably is, I don't even know. So, I don't even know what the price range is from, so leave a couple comments. And, yeah, just check out the channel Coke and Halos, because me and him, his name's Brody, me and him are going to have a couple videos called Brody vs. Jesse. We'll be like snow jumping, cinnamon challenge, Coke and Sprite, you know, all that good stuff. Just subscribe to my channel. If I get 100 subscriptions, then I'm going to have a whole bunch of crazy videos. You leave comments of telling me what to do, and I will do it. So, thanks for watching my review on this pocket knife. Hopefully you enjoyed. And TTYL.